Hi, I'm John Kenneth Hingpit, and my course is Bachelor of Science in Maritime Transportation, and my section is S3T. And the importance of OSH and PADAMS is OSH is protect seafarers' health and safety while working on board. PADAMS is ensures crew members are drug-free, alert, and responsible in performing their duties. Together, they safeguard lives, protect property, and maintain efficient ship operations for both deck and engine departments. These subjects helps me to become a successful seafarer someday because it's teaching me the importance of globalization in maritime trade, prepare me to work with diverse crews, training me to think critically and solve problems, giving me awareness of international maritime issues, and shaping me into a globally competitive professional. And my quote is, if you can take a risk, you can create a future.